Everybody, my name is Miss Trish. I'm a speech therapist, and today we're going to do cycles therapy with the initial L sound. And this video is auditory bombardment. And what that is that the child listens to their target sound and does not repeat while doing a relaxing activity. And this gives them the opportunity to hear the sounds that they're struggling with no pressure. For speech therapists, you guys can read this list or play this list for 2 to 3 minutes at the opening of a speech therapy session, but also play it at the end of the session to close the session. And for home use parents, play this in the car or while your child is playing with their toys. So let's get started. Leaf, ladybug, lesson, lot, lightning, limb, lizard, lotion, luck, lunchtime, lie, load, lime, lad, lead, leader, litter, let's, loop, lap, listen, lock, letter, look, lion, long, lemon, lamb, lamp, love, light, logs, lost, ladder, bleak, list, lips, laugh, lady, largest, last, lazy, land, leg, lake, large, lunch, lucky, late, laundry, learn, leave, lick, loose, laughing, load. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for more sounds. Thank you.